Hello friends, how you guys doing? Today is another round of product recommendation. So in front of me is this funky glass which has this LED display function on the front of the glass, and you can use it for birthday or other function and it will look cool and look funky. So basically the charging port is right over here, the micro USB charging port, and then the on off switch is over here. And in order to make the LED light stands out, I will record this in a darker environment. Alright. So this box comes with this charging cable and then this manual. So you have to download the apps via this QR code over here. Alright, just use the QR scanner, scan it and download. You can't find it in Google Play Store. Alright. Alright, so it's very easy. After you download this funky glass app, just open it. And you need to enable your GPS location and your Bluetooth. Alright. After you launch the apps, there's nothing here. So you need to on the glass. Just press and hold. Alright. You start pairing. And it detects automatically. Alright. You must pair it here, not on the Bluetooth setting. Alright. Once they are paired, just go to the menu here. And then this is for the wording. So you can type any words here. And then press the go here, you will send to the glass. So this is how you want it to look like. This movement, you can increase the speed. Alright, it will be faster. And this is another movement. And this is for the stable function. Alright. Okay, for the next one is the pictures, which is the image. So these are all the image you can choose from. For example, this one. Alright. The eyes. Alright, blinking eyes, love. Alright, there's another one which is a stable image, which you can choose from. Alright, stable image. These are some of the stable image. Alright, okay, for the next one is the audio trigger function. So these are the few spectrum analyzer pattern which you can choose from. But if you choose the mic, then it will trigger according to my voice. Alright, testing 1 2 3. Alright, when the mic catches your audio, it will trigger this spectrum analyzer pattern. Alright, if you have music, you can use your music, you can play it and they will start to have the spectrum analyzer pattern. Alright, it's very easy. Okay, the last one will be the drawing function. So you can choose the thickness of the pencil. So let's say you choose this, and this is for erasing. You can draw. Alright, you will draw on the glass also. For example, you draw this pattern, then you can flip it. Alright, your pattern will be around here, as you can see. Alright, it's very easy. So you want to erase it, just erase whatever you want. Alright, before I go, I would like to say that this is a multi-color LED display. There are some other color to choose from. For example, the blue, the red, and the green. Alright, so that marks the end of my video. Everybody take care and bye. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.